Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to make Buko Pandan Cupcake with Macapuno Topping. This clip shows the first time I made this Buko Pandan Cupcake. Masyadong naparami ang Buko Pandan extract kaya weird ang lasa, so binago ko ulit ang recipe. I also put Macapuno filling, and because it's heavy, it's settled at the bottom. Let's start. Here are the ingredients. 1 and 1/4 cup plain flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 cup of castor sugar. These are all your dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, you need 1/2 cup of milk, 2 whole eggs, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon of Buko Pandan extract, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup water. Add vinegar and milk together and mix. Set aside. Sift flour and baking powder into a large mixing bowl. Add castor sugar and salt. Whisk until well combined. In a separate bowl, add milk mixture, oil, and egg. Pour the egg mixture into the dry ingredients and whisk together until well combined. Add water and Buko Pandan extract. As what my daughter would say, mix, mix, mix. Line cupcake pan with paper cups. Distribute the batter evenly among the paper cups. Do not overfill. Remember, you still need to put Macapuno filling. If you don't want to use paper cups, make sure to spray your baking pan with oil so that it doesn't stick. Because of its design, I'll use brush to make sure the pan is well coated. On a preheated oven, bake at 160 degrees for 15 minutes for the small one and 20 minutes for the big one. Add Macapuno Topping. So here's the cupcake with filling. I still don't like it, so just go for the topping. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Please check my other channel, Moments to Memories NZ.